Hi guys, we're going to look at this video right now from National Geographic, and it's about naked mole rats, and it shows them in their homes. So we're going to look at the video. There is no sound. We have to use our eyes, and we're going to create inferences from that. We're going to see if any of the evidence in the video supports Wilbur's claim that they should wear clothing, or if it supports all the other mole rats that they should not wear clothing. All right, so let's take a look and learn about them, because just the way something looks is not a real reason for what it should be doing. So let's see if we can learn how either one of those claims can really help the naked mole rat. All right, let's see. First thing we see is a rising sun, and desert. What can we infer from the sun in this dry land? Yes, it's probably very hot. So if it's very hot, let's think for a minute. If it's very hot, we saw dry, cracked land, we saw the sun beating down, we didn't see any shade or water, what would happen if they wore clothes? Oh my, they might be even too hot. That doesn't help Wilbur then, does it? All right, so keep looking for evidence, more additional evidence in this video to help us figure out if Wilbur's claim is valid or if the other mole rats have a valid point. Let's see how they live. Is it bright? Is it dark? Let's take a look at their eyes. How do they know where they're going? What do they use? They have to slide through these little tunnels. They probably use a lot of their skin to feel their way around. I wonder what would happen if they had clothes on. It also looks like they're flopping around on each other, kind of sliding over. I wonder if there would be friction if they had on clothes. Interesting. Let's keep taking a look. They live together. Oh my goodness, look at that. So after this video, let's think. Is it better that naked mole rats wear clothes or that they not wear clothes? Let's take a peek.